Hi, welcome to the DI Women in Conversation. In this episode, I've got Neetu Michael with me. Hi, Neetu.
Hi, Tolo.
How are you?
I'm fantastic. And you?
I'm great, thanks. Please tell us a bit more about yourself.
My name is Neetu Michael, and I work at Digital Industries in a business unit called IS Cubed, and I am the events manager where all the magic happens, obviously. I'm a mom of two, and I have a career here, obviously, at Digital Industries.
Awesome. So, what does it mean being a woman to you?
Being a woman to me means being able to juggle both sides of the coin, which is obviously the mom side and the career side. And it is very challenging, and both sides have their rewards. For me to be a woman means being able to do things on both sides of the spectrum as best as I can.
I love that. And what is your superpower, you would say?
My superpower is we were talking about that and someone mentioned it to me. It's my passion. It's my passion to be a mom. It's my passion for my career. It's my passion and my drive in whatever it is that I obviously put my mind to do.
And what do you think DI is doing to empower women?
I think that's a bit of an easy question. I think our management have taken the time to do some research on various platforms to allow us as women to be able to live or to lead a well-balanced life, both in our career and in our personal life. They have sourced platforms where we are able to ensure our mental health is taken care of, as well as in terms of our upskilling us and growing further in our careers. I know they're currently looking at a talent platform to see where our skills lie, so that we can perhaps grow into different parts within our career. And that's what I love about the organization. At the moment, they're looking at where we all fit and how we all fit together to make the organization better.
So what message do you have for women out there?
Be yourself. In whatever it is that you do, just be yourself.
And who's a woman that inspires you and why?
That would be my 12-year-old daughter. Her name is Neetu Michael, and she inspires me because she sets goals and she has dreams and she goes and she achieves them.
Hi, my name is Neetu Michael. I am from Brackenhurst Primary and I'm a grade 6 learner. And my project is about the ozone layer. So this is my practical example of the Earth before and after. So this plastic you see here is the ozone layer protecting the Earth. Now, I just need to remove this to explain a few things. So this half of the Earth is the perfect Earth. Blue oceans, green grass, blue skies, the Earth we all would like to live in. And this half is the dying Earth. Not a single soul or living organism is on the side of the Earth. Now that I'm done explaining that, let's move on to this. So, now you might think that the sun is destroying the ozone layer, but it's not necessarily the sun, but the sun has a part to play in it. So, it's harmful chemicals called CFCs, which are chlorine and fluorine chemicals. So, when we release them, they are released by coal factories, aerosol spray cans, refrigerants, and plastic. So when we release them into the air, they cannot get out of the atmosphere because of this shield called the ozone layer. So they do their best to irritate and weaken the ozone layer to get out of the atmosphere. So now, because they are weakening it, when the sun's UV rays hit the ozone layer, instead of deflecting it as it should, it breaks apart because it's too weak. So if we don't stop using CFCs and coal power stations and polluting the Earth could one day look like this. Dead, desolate. It will look like Mars with not even a plant on it. So the only reason Earth looks beautiful like this is because of the shield called the ozone layer. But if we had to remove it, or it had to completely disappear,